YT, what's going on? It's Devon, man. Y'all watching New Touch Auto Dipping right now. Now, you know how when you're young, competition don't matter. But soon as you get older, people try to count you out. Nah, not today. Not today, man. You can find somebody else to play with. I don't care how old it is. You want to see more of this video right here? Stay tuned. Before I get started in this video, I must say, man, this is gonna be a very sentimental, special video. Might not be for you, but for me, I even think I'm about to start crying, man. Nah, seriously. This video here is so special because this might be the last time y'all see me painting in my garage. Because the next time y'all see me, hopefully, nah, all prayers up, I'm gonna have my own shop. Yes, sir, I said it. Hopefully I'll be in my own shop. God got it. We're gonna wait on it, all right? For now, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, right? We got this Toyota Solara convertible. We're gonna be hitting it with the burnt copper. We're gonna be using the Proline series. Proline, all right? That's a step above Plasti Dip. We're gonna be hitting it with that using the turbine sprayer today, all right? Burnt copper. I've done it a few times in the past. It's been a success, but that's a different car. So every car has more success than the other because them body styles change, all right? Let's get into this video, man. Let's go. Why are you watching this video and you ain't subscribed yet? What's the problem? Hit that subscription button down there. It's free. What's wrong with y'all? All right, YT, we at the end of the video, but y'all know how I do. I like to take you on the rundown and show you exactly what I do to these vehicles. Let's go. We got the Toyota Solara right here. We got the burnt orange, burnt copper. We got that everywhere, man. You see that emblem right there? It looks good to me. You tell me what you think though. Let's go around. Then we hit it with the wheels. The wheels got that Hyperdip shadow black. Give you a satin finish. And we go around. Looking like a burnt penny right there. Looks good. Nice satin finish. We take it to the back. We got the Toyota, the Solara, the emblem, and everything else out. Got the chrome out. Nice finish. Nice look. You see it. But I want to see you in the comments. Tell me what you think. You think that's a winner? I think we're going to go for it. All right? Now, if you stuck it out with me this far, thank you. You the real one. If you haven't subscribed yet, though, go ahead and hit that subscription button down there. Thank y'all for checking me out. Hope to see y'all on the next video.